Welcome to Qt Fast Track Series. For API Recommended Practice 572. Inspection Practices for Pressure Vessels. In this lecture, we will discuss Clause 5. The reasons for inspection. This section provides an overview of the general structure of the text in Clause 5, as well as reviews of some of the important subclauses that are in the clause. The following is a list of all the subclauses as listed in the table of contents. In the following slides we highlight important information contained in Clause 5. General. The basic reasons for inspection are to determine the physical condition of the vessel, and to determine the type, rate, and causes of damage mechanisms and associated deterioration. The information gained from a general inspection contributes to the planning of future inspections, repairs, replacement, and yields a history that may form the basis of a risk-based inspection (RBI) assessment. This information should be carefully documented after each inspection. Safety. One of the primary reasons to conduct periodic scheduled inspections is to identify damage that could result in a process safety incident, such as loss of containment, which could lead to fire, toxic exposure, or other environmental hazard. The damage should be addressed immediately through evaluation, further inspection, or repair when identified. Reliability and efficient operation. External inspections performed while the equipment is in operation using non-destructive techniques may reveal important information without requiring entry inside of the equipment. With such data, mechanical integrity of pressurized equipment can be maintained and fitness for service, or RBI evaluations can be performed. Therefore, this data can aid in maximizing the period of operation without an unplanned shutdown. In addition, repair and replacement requirements can be planned and estimated in advance of a planned shutdown to more effectively utilize downtime. These efforts can contribute to overall plant reliability by reducing the number or duration of unplanned shutdowns. Regulatory requirements. Regulatory requirements typically cover only those conditions that affect safety and environmental concerns. In general, these groups require the adherence to an industry standard or code, such as ASME BPVC, API 510, or the National Board Inspection Code. In addition, OSHA 29 CFR 1910.119 requires refineries follow recognized and generally accepted good engineering practice (RAGAGEP) when performing any inspection and repair activities. API 510 was developed to provide an industry standard for the inspection of in-service pressure vessels. Review questions. Question number 1. Which of the following is a reason to inspect a pressure vessel? Answer is D. Question number 2. Per OSHA 1910, refineries should follow. Answer is C. Question number 3. Per OSHA 1910, RAGAGEP means. Answer is A. This lecture is prepared by Samir Saad, and this is his profile.